What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trey with the first video, and today I'm gonna be playing with my cousin right here, Sidekick. I'm on the phone with her right now. CC, say hi to the stream. Say hi to the stream. They heard you. Alright, I'm about to join CC right now. We're about to play Piggy. So yeah. Shut up.
You shut up.
Damon is online. Alright, y'all. We're going in. Alright, guys. The generator has been stopped. Wait. Y'all escape? Y'all escape?
That scared me. What? No, what's the traitor? What happened? What is that?
I don't know. Guys, in the comment section below, tell us what the trader is, whatever it's called. Yeah, y'all know CC got a cheese head.
Shut up, and you got a small shrimp.
I'm telling.
I don't care.
Let's go to the metro.
That's why nobody loves you.
That's why nobody. Forget you.
I don't care.
Player. No, player. No! Yes! Wait. No! No! Yes! Yes. I know that was you.
You shut up, I don't care.
You shut up. You little shit. Alright. We're almost out of here. Just need to reset a little.
Did you just say you need to reset a little? You can't read.
Oh. Rest a little. Alright.
Oh, I'm Piggy!
No, you're not. You better not kill me. I know where you spawn at. You're not gonna kill me. Where are you?
I didn't spawn in yet, slow.
Shut your I'm scared. I know you spawn in here.
No, I'm not. I didn't spawn. Okay, I spawned.
Alright.
Killed somebody, too.
Leave us alone.
Shut up.
Leave me alone. I hate you. I hate you. Bruh. You cheated me. Alright, one person. Y'all, I'm gonna help her. One person is about to. They're in the bottom.
Tell me where some more people at so I can kill them.
I don't think I can join you, but alright. They're going where the green key is at, the train. They got one of the things open. They just need the right key and then they're done.
Lying mother.
No, I'm not. They're at the blue key. They just unlocked the blue key. They just unlocked the blue key.
I don't care.
Shut up, I'm trying to help you. Ooh. Ooh. I know I heard something. Alright, one person is. Oh, they saw you. They saw you. Worry. Alright, they're going where the blue key. Wait, no.
I don't know the blue key.
Where the gold safe is at. The gold safe. They're going to the red door, which is on the bottom stairs. Go to the red door. And there's a noob in here too.
Come here, Baldy.
Y'all stream. I really think the all noobs are good at. You're mean. They're at the red door.
I don't know what that's at, but okay.
Downstairs.
Yes, ma'am.
Shut up. Alright, there where the blue key goes. Alright, they're going to the vending machine. They got the blue key card where the blue key card, yeah, the blue key card. It looks like a nursing room, CC. Where are you at? And there's another person in there.
How many people is it?
Not down there. Alright, go upstairs, go upstairs, go upstairs. Alright. Go back. Wait, no. Go straight. No, yeah. Right there. Behind the pole. Alright, the other person is at the train. They opened it.
I see it.
Let me see. Alright. I'm gonna save up for this one, guys. I like this one. Ow! Alright. Go to the city. Wait, no. Go to the carnival. You heard me? The fuck? The carnival. Yeah. Carnival. Psych. No! What is traitor? What is that? No.
A traitor is.
I don't want to do that. Wait, no, let's do it. Yes!
Oh, I don't know what traitor is, but okay.
Me either. You better be ready, Mr. Potato. I'm coming for you. You bald boy, I will cook you. No homo. What is the traitor? Traitor, whatever.
Can I get a higher?
I got the blue key. He took it! The black boy took it! The black boy took the blue key. Oh my god.
You black too, so stop being racist. And I got the orange key.
I don't care. Hurry up so we can get the white key.
Oh, the purple key! Come get the purple key!
Where? Oh, over here.
No, over here, dummy. That's how you
It's over here, stupid.
Shut your faggot self up.
I hope you know I'm posting this.
I don't care. Hi,
You know
people.
like I care? Cause I don't. The traitor
The
has
traitor
been stopped.
has been stopped.
Who is the traitor?
What? I'm confused. What?
Bruh. Alright guys, the stream stopped. I don't know how.
Wait, you was on a live?
Yes, I'm live. I wanna go to house. I wonder what happens if nobody votes. Alright. Let's go. My cousin is right here.
Infection.
No.
Yeah.
No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. I hate y'all. I hate y'all.
Oh.
I hope I'm Piggy.
My neck.
I hope I'm Piggy. Wait, who's Piggy?
Me.
No, you're not. Don't lie to me, boy.
I am Piggy.
I want to be Piggy. Wait, am I Piggy?
I'm just kidding. I'm not Piggy.
Wait. Oh my god.
Oh, bacon head.
What's up, bacon head?
Oh, I got a
And you're not getting the red key. Come on for Piggy kills us.
Okay.
Come on.
No, because you bought a door and I want to get the red key, so no.
No, I'm getting the red key.
Well, if I open it for you, you gotta,
I'll give you the blue key.
Yeah, give me the blue key.
Oh, for Piggy comes. If Piggy comes, I'm gonna kill you when I'm Piggy. I'm gonna set bed traps everywhere. Piggy coming?
Go the other way.
She's not coming. Go. Go. No, stop. No. Oh, no.
You died?
No, I almost died. I'm stuck. CC. No.
You died?
Don't come outside. No.
No, I'm not going.
Why? No. It glitched. I'm killing you. This is what you get for bringing a Piggy to me. Ouch. Where are you at? You just groaned. Where are you at? Come here, Bacon.
You think, oh hell no, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna jump off this goddamn thing. Oh hell no.
Come here, Bacon head. No, I hate you. Is it game over? Who else is in here?
No, I had killed myself.
Who else is in here? Hee, come here, buddy boy. Who else is in here? Oh, gotcha. Come on. Who else is in here, CC? Gotcha. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Why? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh my god. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Why did I gotta kill myself? Oh, how did she miss that?
She got a surprise waiting for her. You're not coming out. Ha ha!
My neck hurt.
But who else is in here? My god. It better not be no bacon head, because I'm tired of these bacon heads trying to act good and all. Bro, they closed the door on me, bro. I know I'm a sheep and I'm... Oh! What's up? Hey, CC, you missed out on the fun. Hey. I killed someone out of... I killed somebody out of nowhere. I want Zizzy. Whatever. That's fine.
Yeah, let me buy her. I got enough money for that.
How much?
Wait, let me see how much Zizzy costs.
Bruh.
How much she cost?
$4.50.
Never mind.
That's what I thought. I'm gonna save up for
Shut up, gay.
Shut up, lesbian. I'm gonna save up for
Who are you talking to?
Dino Piggy. I'm tired still.
She on the phone FaceTiming with somebody, her friend, and he won't let her go to sleep. Oh, I want to get the devil Piggy.
I don't like that. We all pick a Terrorator. Traitor, whatever. Traitor.
You can't read for nothing, bro.
That look like a murder mystery person.
I think I'm the traitor.
I'm the traitor. I'm the traitor. Let's go.
Lies you tell, bro.
Fuck you.
You don't know how to lie because you don't know how to react good.
Shut up. You better not kill me. Or else.
Shut up, faggot.
Yeah. See.
I don't care, leave me alone. You faggot.
Hey, you bitch.